This is All India Radio Shillong. The Northeast News Bulletin read by Sandeepan Chakravarti. The nation remembered former President Fakhruddin Ali Ahmed on his 42nd death anniversary yesterday. Wreaths were laid on behalf of President Ramnath Kovind at his mausoleum at Parliament Street in New Delhi. On the occasion, former Prime Minister Dr. Manmohan Singh also paid floral tribute to Fakhruddin Ali Ahmed at his mausoleum. The fifth President of India, Fakhruddin Ali Ahmed, was born on 13th May 1905 and died of a heart attack on 11th February 1977. The work for the 4-lane of the strategically important BCT road has been affected as local people are not allowing the Border Roads Organisation to work in West Kameng district due to non-finalization of land acquisition compensation issue. The Bhalukpong Chardwar Tawang is a lifeline for Tawang, West Kameng and East Kakeng districts of Arunachal Pradesh. Local people are not allowing the BRO to work in the widening of the Bhalukpong Chardwar Tawang road between Elephant and Sesa villages due to non-finalization of land acquisition due to compensation issue. Tezpur-based defence spokesman Lieutenant Colonel Harshvardhan Pandey said in a release quoting Project Vartak chief engineer. The constructing agency has appealed to the villages to allow the construction activities in the stretch of road to avoid delay in completion of the project. The widening and double-lane work on BCT road is presently under progress by the BRO, the release added. Assam Chief Minister Sarbananda Sonowal said that the state government is taking all steps to ensure the socio-economic well-being of farmers. Policies are being implemented to uplift the poor farmers and labourers so that all sections of the population can derive equal benefit from the development of the government, he said while inaugurating the Mukhyamantri Krishi Sajuli Yojana scheme at Dhemaji. Farmers are the backbone of Assam's economy and various steps are being taken to empower them, he said. Sonowal distributed approval letters of 5,000 rupees each to 13,800 farmers of Dhemaji district under the Chief Minister's Farmers Welfare Scheme. Under it, the farmers of the district will receive 5,000 rupees each through direct bank transfer to purchase farming equipment to increase their agricultural production. Questioning of the Kolkata Police Commissioner Rajeev Kumar and former TMC MP Kunal Ghosh in Sharada Chit fund scam case continued for the third day at the CBI office in Shillong yesterday. The interrogation of Kunal Ghosh was concluded, while Rajeev Kumar will have to sit for yet another round of investigation for the fourth day today. It is said that he is likely to be questioned on the Rose Valley scam. Meanwhile, the Supreme Court on Monday refused to monitor the ongoing CBI investigation into various chit fund scams, including the one involving Sharada Group of companies. The Apex Court on May 9, 2014 had ordered a CBI probe into the multi-crore rupee chit fund scam, which also had revealed the involvement of politicians in West Bengal, Odisha and Assam. Security has been tightened in view of the Black Day protests scheduled to be observed by the civil societies in Mizoram today against the contentious Citizenship Amendment Bill. The security has been beefed up in Aizawl and over 50 big towns and villages across the state are supporting the protest rallies to be organized under the aegis of the NGO Coordination Committee, the umbrella organization of the major civil societies and students' bodies. In Meghalaya, a senior leader of the United Democratic Party, Bindo M, Lanong, has strongly advocated the operation of the Anti Defection Law in the Khasi Hills Autonomous District Council to prevent defection and also ensure stability in the council. Lanong said the Anti Defection Law operates in the Parliament and states and urged this law should also operate in the Khasi Hills Autonomous District Council to prevent toppling of the Executive Committee of the Council. Expressing concern over the council's instability, Lanong said the only way to prevent toppling of the Executive Committee is to have an anti-defection law in the KHADC. Speaking to the media after releasing the party's manifesto for the KHADC elections, Lanong said if the party comes to power, it will try to ensure more village courts are created in the autonomous areas so that petty cases could be disposed of at the village levels. And with that, we end the Northeast News Bulletin from All India Radio Shillong. Have a nice day.